Welcome aboard. Let's have fun with music. Press one of the buttons to play. Let's explore the treasure island. Drop the anchor. Fine. Raise up the sails as high as you can. It's time to go to Treasure Island. Yo ho, yo ho. Raise up the sails, raise up. Yo-ho! Welcome aboard! What's in our mighty treasure chest? What could... Hi there, let's explore. Press one of the buttons to play. This button is red. Anchor begins with the letter A. Let's pretend and play. We need to get ready before we set sail. First, press the cannon button to make sure it's working. Great, the cannon works well. Now, press the sails button to make sure the sails are not broken. Wonderful, the sails are in great shape. And lastly, press the treasure chest button to make sure the treasure chest is loaded onto the ship. The treasure chest is safely loaded onto the ship. Let's set sail. Pull up the anchor. Nice job. Let's play. A ship is approaching. Press the red button to alert the crew. We'll set sail soon. Oh no! Press the red button to alert the crew.